Hippocrates Health Institute is known worldwide for their whole body approach to wellness. Guests from all over the world benefit from health and nutritional counseling, youth-enhancing therapies, state-of-the-art spa services, inspiring talks on life principles, and a tantalizing daily buffet of enzyme-rich organic meals. It's all based on a vegan lifestyle. I had the opportunity to sit down with Brian and Maria Clement, who have jointly directed Hippocrates Health Institute since 1980.
You have an amazing, remarkable center for healing people. Can you tell me what are some of your favorite things that heal people here?
Well, I think the main thing is what you're feeling. We have an atmosphere of acceptance and love, and we have every guest see our gifted psychotherapist, not to do Freudian and Jungian psychology, but to see what it is blocking them from hurting themselves.
At Hippocrates, they teach you about raw, organic living foods as a way of achieving optimal health.
You both are vegan.
48 years each.
Yeah.
Anna started as a very young lady in her teens. I started at 19, 20. Our 4 children and our 7 grandchildren are vegan. People are realizing that not only does it heal your body and prevent aging, but it also saves the planet Earth that we all live on.
It's an amazing way to live. We're here at the lunch buffet today at Hippocrates, and I want you to tell me about the sprouts.
So the sprouts, the most important thing, at least 50% of your plate should be sprouts, truly living foods. You see we have, what, about 6 feet? 18 different types of sprouts.
18 different kinds of sprouts here.
We have the most sprouts anywhere in the world on one buffet. You know, Hippocrates said, let food be thy medicine. Food can either be great nourishing and helping your body heal, or it could be a challenge. Some things are a challenge for your body, which many of us overcome. Some things are going to help your body be clean, run pure. And so which way are you going? So people come here and stop putting toxins in and get in an environment of doing pure food, and their immune can take over and clear out so many health challenges. People come back and say, I healed of cancer, I healed of diabetes. It's amazing.
To keep up with the nutritional standards and the high demand for organic sprouts, Hippocrates grows their crops on site.
I'm here with Parker. Parker, I hear you're the king of the greens here.
I am. We've got quite a selection here of sunflower, wheat, as well as pea shoots and buckwheat.
And these are all sprouts?
These are all sprouts. We have roughly 650 trays growing right now, which we will reseed and harvest 30 of each variety per day.
My little bit I know about sprouting, you really have to take care of the sprouts so they don't get moldy.
Absolutely, which we have climate controlled, temperature controlled, humidity controlled environment here.
The air is incredibly fresh in here.
Yes, it's about 3 times cleaner, I'm sure, than what's outside, as well as cooler, as you can feel. We like to keep the temperature in here 65 to 75 degrees. And because it's enclosed, we don't have any problem with bugs.
And you don't only do the sprouting, but you also do the fruit trees.
Yes, as well as the Garden of Vegan. The Garden of Vegan is a lovely little spot with butterflies, hummingbirds. We do grow crops out there as well, in-ground crops. And then I do a once-a-week lecture out there on how to grow your own living food.
The guests take advantage of their daily doses of wheatgrass at the self-serve juice bar, where it is juiced to provide the body with concentrated amounts of nutrients.
Always get compliments from all the guests of how sweet our wheatgrass is here.
That's a great compliment for wheatgrass.
Yes, it is, truly.
Hippocrates Institute also has a weight loss program targeting the root cause, whether it's emotional, physical, or nutritional.
What's at the core of the overweight? About 80% of the time, it tends to be a mental, emotional, psycho-spiritual connection. They learn to identify their triggers and learn the tools and habits to overcome that. We have a fully structured program from the time they wake up. We start exercise at 6:30 in the morning. We do have guests move toward, depending on where they're starting, 3 to 4 hours of exercise a day. And for some people, that's starting with gentle yoga and qigong and water exercise. And some, it's moving right to the metabolic HIIT and cardio intervals. And we finish with lectures and then sauna, cold plunge just before bed to support that restorative sleep. So we really address all of the different aspects and then provide resources to continue that when they get home.
Hippocrates also offers holistic healing modalities that facilitate a better and greater connection to spirit. There are IV therapies, micronutrient testing, acupuncture, colon hydrotherapy, and body therapies to connect, correct, self-heal, and move toward and maintain optimal health.
This is a reflexology stream. If you walk around it 7 times, it hits all the points of reflexology on your feet. This is just something that I think everybody needs to come to one time in their life to experience.
The world would be a different place.
It'd be a different world. It'd be a peaceful
totally
world.
different.
It'd be a more conscious world.
Right.
Just to experience things here.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You two are amazing. You're an inspiration to me.
Well, you're an inspiration to us. Keep up your good work.
Thank you.